Hello everybody, this is Samuel Bean, Diamond Ambassador from iBuumerang International. In the last video, I showed you how to blueprint your rank advancement. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blueprint your income, okay? And so if you haven't seen the last video, go back and watch it because this will make more sense to you. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. When you look at your involvement, as I described in the last video, you doing your 4 boom parties a week and making sure that you have the other people follow your actual example. This is what blueprinting your income looks like, okay? So we have you, Inc. Okay? And so here we have, let's say, volume on this side, and we'll have income on this side, okay? And over here, you doing 4 mixers a week, 4 boom parties a week, generate $16,000 in volume per month and 4 different legs of business. So we'll have 8,000 over here on this side and 8,000 over here on this side, okay? On your left sales team and your right sales team, okay? At 20%, okay? Your commission rate of 20% in the dual team, okay? What happens is 20% times 16,000, times 8,000 is $1,600 in income. Okay, it's 16,000 in volume, which is Sapphire, which I showed you in the last video. But this is the thing that you must understand, that every time you actually find someone that's willing to do 4 boom parties a week, okay, you have a person who's going to do $16,000 a month in volume. When you find a person on the left that's going to do that, and a person on the right that's going to do that, watch what happens. You not only will have 32,000 in volume that you can add to your existing volume that reoccurs every month. Here you have 48,000, which is Ruby. But every time you have one on the left that's going to do 4 a week and one on the right that's going to do 4 a week, predictable, you have $3,200. So right here you had $4,800. Okay, $5,000 a month. With the work of you and 2 other people doing 4 mixes a week, $60,000 a year of revenue that you added to your income, your financial bottom line at home on a part-time basis. Okay, and so let's continue to do this. When you look at, again, finding another person on the left and identifying another person on the right that will do 4 a week. That's 16,000 plus 16,000 is 32,000 over here. Gives you 80,000. That's Emerald. Then you have 16,000 multiplied by 20%. That's 3,200. Remember, every time you have one on the left and one on the right, that's $3,200 minimum. That's $8,000 in actual income. Remember, in the last video, I told you when you went Emerald, it's a 6-figure situation. $8,000 here, 9 times 12 months is $96,000 a year. Okay. And I can guarantee you, a lot of these 16s will not remain 16,000. I have people like Joe Cohen, who in his first 30 days did over 40,000 to hit Ruby in his first 30 days. You know, we have people like Lois Kofi who did 33,000, right, in her first 30 days. So her circle would be 16 to be 33. Renita Nelson, who did over 40,000 in her circle. Okay, so you'll have some overachievers, right? Okay, and so again, every time you find one, 16,000. I want to show you how remarkable this is. 16,000 on the left, 16,000 on the right. That's another 32,000 here. And as you can see, you're continuing to climb up the volume ladder every month. So you're getting closer and closer to your more desirable pins, right? Okay, 20% multiplied by the congruent number of 16,000 is 3,200. So now you're at $11,200 in income per month. Because these people are predictable. These people are going to do this every month like clockwork. 16,000 over the left, 16,000 on the right, 32,000, 144,000 over here in volume, and 3,200 over here, $14,400 over here in the income. I'm going to do this 2 more times. I want to make sure I prove my point. Okay? Everything that we do, it works. It's something Mr. Bugs taught me over 11 years ago. Okay, so 16,000 plus 16,000 is 32,000. 176,000 in volume plus 3,200. Okay, you have $17,600 in actual income. One more time. Okay, 16,000 on the left, 16,000 on the right. Okay, 32,000 gives you $208,000 in volume over here, which gives you diamond. Remember, I told you in the last video, blueprinting your rank advancement, that U plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. U plus 12 gives you diamond, right? 3,200 over here. $20,800 a month, okay? That's $250,000 per year, okay? And see, this happens when you empower 12 other people to do what you've done, okay? So if you haven't seen how to blueprint your rank advancement, find that, iBuumerang, Sam Bean, okay? But make sure you see, wherever you see yourself at. If you're looking at a $5,000 per month income, okay, it's U plus 2. If you're looking at an $8,000 income, it's U plus 4, right? So you just continue to add people who will do 4 boom parties, 4 travel parties, 4 vacation parties, 4 good parties, get out of debt parties a week, right? And you can start to blueprint your income. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, this is Samuel Bean. Again, it's a pleasure speaking with you guys today from iBuumerang International. Want to encourage you guys to not just subscribe, but make sure that you like it, make sure you share it, and anything that you have comment-wise or question-wise, go ahead and put it down at the bottom, because from time to time I do go there and view those questions and answer those questions. And we appreciate, again, any questions in all comments. So we'll see you guys at the top. We'll see you guys at the bank, definitely on the beach. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye for now.